Wow, it's been a very long time since I've vlogged. So we just had the first week of school, and since it was kind of just going to school and coming home and not doing much, I didn't vlog any of it, and I thought like I better get into the routine before I like... Hello?
Hey. What are you doing?
I'm talking.
Oh, hi. Oh.
But I'm back now. Boom.
Fist bump.
Fist bump. Oh, that was boom. Boom.
Oh, it must be for the screws already used. Yeah, well, you know, I'm not getting much feet is probably a good thing. Alright, bring it over. First thing I'm going to do is...
That took a really long time. I really want to.
It works! Yay!
We're now on our way to our local town fair thing for a few hours. Then I have dance. Normal life. Let's go! Oh.
What did you guys do?
I was opening my door and it just started. I'm crying.
I can't believe you just did that.
I'm not going to.
Next morning, Sunday, first week of school's done. Hope it's went good for you guys. Yeah, so I'm the only one up, I think. Yeah, it's 8:50. Oh, I'm not the only one up. Feed the cat.
It's not there. He was using it to talk to his friend.
Callie, where's the phone?
So we finished, or I finished the cupcakes, and now they're sitting here at the dinner table. And I thought Delaney would have come down while I was making them, but she never did. So now it's like a little surprise for her for dinner. Well, things like melting into it, but it says Delaney in some form. What? There's a Glee China. There's Glee China.
Are you just gonna take it, or are you gonna do something with it?
I don't know. It's really gross, but it's also very small. They're just blowing it? Oh! Oh, back.
If you tap it into a cup or something, you put it outside.
Yeah, I don't know how to do that. Holy cow!
Are you guys gonna improvise?
No, I'm just gonna...
Like, or...
What? It's dirty on the screen. You have to clean the little camera part. Not with your hand. It's got oil on it. Well, it worked. Holy cow, cupcakes.
Can I just talk?
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Oh.
Hey guys, so Ciarra made me cupcakes because my birthday is in 2 days, and she already said she's not going to be here for my birthday because she has dance. Holy cow!
They spelled Delaney on them.
It's really cute. I kind of heard her talking about them earlier, so it wasn't a massive surprise that I was getting cupcakes, but I could hear you. I was standing at the top of the stairs. My sister's lovely.
Home at 7 a.m. and 10:30 p.m. You duck
Fun.
facing?
No, I'm going. Grandma's here on Tuesday.
Yeah, I know, but I'm not. She's like, I'll see you like once, and I'll be like, yeah.
Grandma's like the only one here on Tuesday.
Grandma just comes for free food now because we're never here.
Why?
I don't know.
I don't know. But she
I don't
leaves
even know
soon
what
for
I'm doing.
Taiwan, and it's like her last visit. But no one's here except for me.
Oh my gosh, I got fed on my face.
Got fed.
Done feeding the cat, but it's down there just munching away.